Dialogue 7. This is between Kofi and Amma again. And Amma starts the conversation. Amma says, Kofi, mechiao. So we are back to the general greeting that we started with. Mechiao. Greetings. I greet you, right? Kofi, mechiao. Kofi, I greet you. And again, we said the standard response to mechiao is meje woso, right? Meje woso. And we said jeso is a phrasal verb that means to respond or to respond to. The repetition is important for it to stick. Meje woso ama. Kofi says, me pachao ene ye memeneda. Me pachao ene ye memeneda. Me pachao please. Ene is today, right? When you say ene or ne, that is today. Let's put it here. So we have enra or nra as yesterday. We have ene or ne as today. And then we have ochna or chna as tomorrow. So Kofi is using ene. He says, ene ye memeneda. Today is Saturday. Memeneda is Saturday. So we have Monday as a juada, Tuesday as a benada, Wednesday as wukuada, Thursday as yawada, Friday as a fiada, Saturday as memeneda, and that is what we have here, right? And then we have Sunday as kwesiada. So Kofi is asking, is today Saturday and neye memeneda? So you can use this expression to ask the day of the week it is. And then Amma responds to that with debi ene nye memeneda. Debi ene nye memeneda. So you have debi, which is no. Ene, we said, is today. And this ye, to be, has been negated here, right? So today is Saturday, and now she's saying ene nye. Today is not memeneda, Saturday. So Kofi comes back and asks, ene ye daben? Ene ye daben. When you ask daben, you are asking what day, because that is day, and we have ben as what. So ene ye daben, today is what day? And then Amma responds to that with ene ye wukuada. Ene ye wukuada. I told you wukuada is Wednesday. And Kofi says, oh, sir. Oh, really? Oh, is that so? May I say, thanks.